Hello friends, welcome to another Resolve tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to acquire raw, DD, Encase, smart images of your storage devices using the free FTK Imager program. FTK Imager is free software that you can use freely at home or in your company. This software works on computers running Windows and is one of the best applications you can use on your computer. FTK Imager allows you to take forensic copies of your storage devices sector by sector. With the FTK Imager program, you can obtain either logical or physical images on your storage devices. You can also take a forensic copy of a folder and calculate MD5 and SHA1 checksums at the end of the imaging process. It is an international forensic computing software. FTK Imager is a small utility program that allows you to mount the images you acquired with the program and use them in partition format. It is very easy to use. Let's get started right away. Open the Google search engine and type FTK Imager to find it. Visit www.xtero.com from the search results and fill out the form to download the program for free. Once you fill out the form, the download process will start automatically. You can find the links related to the connections mentioned in this video in the YouTube video description. After a simple installation of the program, you will see the following screen. Click on the File menu in the top left corner of the program and select Create Disk Image to specify whether you want to create a physical or logical image of the data storage unit you want to image. You can choose Add All Attached Devices to add all connected physical and logical devices. If there is no media in a connected device such as CD-ROM or DVD-RW, the device is skipped. In this case, we will add a single piece of evidence. You can choose either a physical drive or logical drive. As mentioned before, a physical device may contain multiple logical drives. You can also choose Image File to view an image file you previously created or folder content to look into a specific folder. In this example, we will take a physical image of a flash drive. After selecting the physical drive in this field, click on the Next tab. In the next stage, the program will ask us which data storage unit we want to create a physical image of. Choose the drive you want to image and click on the Finish button. In the newly opened window, it will ask us about the type of image we want to create. Click on Add and choose the type you want. We choose DD since we are creating a DD image. In the next tab, it will ask various information about the image to be acquired. You can fill in this field if you wish or leave it blank. We're almost there. In the newly opened window, specify where you want to save the image, its name, and the formatting interval. Here, I am not changing the formatting area. Yes, the image acquisition process has started. When the image acquisition process is complete, you will see a text file in the location where you saved the image. Here, you can view the MD5 and SHA1 calculations for the image you acquired. I'm leaving the link to download the program for free in the description of our video. Don't forget to like the video if it helped you. Subscribe to my Resolved channel for more informative and tutorial videos. Thank you very much for watching.